This problem, we have that x factorial divided by 6 factorial equals to 7 factorial. This is a very interesting problem, and I want you to watch till the end. Now, to simplify this, here we have our x factorial equals to 7 factorial multiplied by 6 factorial. This is what we've got. Now, here we have x factorial to be equals to 7 factorial can be written as 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Multiply by the 6 factorial, which can be multiplied as written as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This is very interesting. Now, from here, I'm going to rewrite this by multiplying out my 4 and 2 to give me 8. Okay, so this 8 here, I'm going to have my x factorial. This 8 is going to come over here. Recall, 4 and 2 is gone. So we have 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And here we are left with 6 times 5 times 3 times 1. And from here also, I can split 6 as 2 multiplied by 3. So here I'm going to have my x factorial as 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Multiplied by 6 can be written as 2 times 3 times 5 times 3 times 1. Yeah, from this, I have 3 multiplied by 3, which also gives 9. Now, bringing this 9 down here, I have my x factorial to be equals to 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 5 times 1. Now, looking at 2 times 5, this gives 10. So here my x factorial is going to be 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 multiplied by 1. Now, looking at this is the same thing as saying x factorial equals to 10 factorial, because this is equivalent to 10 factorial. And you can easily cancel out the factorial. Since both of them are equal, then you can conclude that x is equals to 10. So when you plug in 10 here, it is going to be equivalent to the multiple of 7 factorial and 6 factorial. Thank you for watching. If you watched to this extent, follow for more videos. Bye.